Most cameras ask you to stop living before you can record. You reach for your phone, you break eye contact, and the moment changes. That interruption has shaped how memories are captured for decades. But what if recording never required stopping at all? This is where Mark Zuckerberg enters the story, not as a camera inventor, but as someone obsessed with how technology blends into human behavior rather than interrupting it. Today, I want to talk about the Ray-Ban smart glasses, because they quietly changed how people capture life from their own point of view. If at any point you're wondering how they actually work, what they cost, or whether they're worth it, I've placed a link in the description. I've also added a more affordable alternative there for anyone who loves the idea but wants a cheaper option. Using those links also helps support this channel and allows me to keep making documentaries like this. So thank you if you choose to do that. Now let's look at how we got here. The first real shift in personal video capturing came with action cameras. GoPro didn't just improve video quality, it changed perspective. For the first time, people could record life from their own point of view. Surfing, traveling, moving, without holding a camera in front of their face. But even GoPros required intention. You had to mount them, activate them, and visibly commit to recording. And the most natural moments rarely wait for that. The next evolution was not about better resolution. It was about invisibility. Technology needed to disappear. The most logical place for a camera was something people already wear every single day: glasses. This idea aligns perfectly with how Mark Zuckerberg has spoken about technology for years. Tools should feel invisible, always present, and never pull you out of the moment. Ray-Ban already carried cultural trust. When they partnered with Meta, they didn't create a flashy gadget. They created glasses that record without changing behavior. No mounts, no raised arms, no moment lost because you had to start recording. Early reactions. But for Mark Zuckerberg, this wasn't about selling glasses. It was about solving a long-term problem: how people share experiences without filtering life through a screen. Meta didn't push these glasses as a revolution. They let behavior prove the point. But adoption didn't grow because of ads. It grew because of results. Short-form videos started appearing with natural eye-level framing. Travel footage felt immersive instead of staged. Moments felt lived, not performed. Viewers didn't just watch these clips, they felt present inside them. That difference matters. These glasses are not only for creators, they are for memories. Parents capturing moments hands-free. Travelers recording without breaking movement. People documenting life exactly as it happens. This is not about filming life, it is about not interrupting it. This is the exact philosophy Zuckerberg has repeated since Facebook's early days. Technology should connect people without standing between them. Well, there is also a reason this works so well online. Modern platforms reward authenticity. POV content consistently performs better because it feels real. Ray-Ban glasses align perfectly with that shift. They do not demand attention. They do not change behavior. They simply capture what already exists. And part of why this works is purely technical. From the outside, these are normal Ray-Ban glasses. The frames use the same lightweight materials people already wear daily, balanced so the weight never pulls your face or reminds you that technology is there. Inside the frame, the camera is positioned at natural eye level, not pointing outward like an action camera, but aligned with how you actually see the world. Tiny microphones are placed near the temples to capture spatial sound, while the battery and processing hardware are distributed evenly across the arms so nothing feels front-heavy. The result is simple. You forget you are wearing technology at all. Of course, responsibility matters. These glasses are not meant for misuse or hidden recording. Their real value comes from personal moments, creativity, and storytelling. Used correctly, they offer one of the most natural recording experiences available today. This is why Ray-Ban glasses represent more than a product. They represent a change in how technology supports human experience, not by adding steps, not by demanding effort, but by stepping out of the way. If you're curious about the Ray-Ban glasses, or want to compare them with a cheaper option, both are linked in the description. And if you choose to use my links, it genuinely helps me continue this journey and create more videos like this. So remember this, the best memories are not planned. They happen when you are fully present. And finally, we now have a way to capture them without leaving the moment.